Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Vikas Navneet craft book class 4 page number 1. One activity is there. Today we are going to done this decorative part. Okay, in 4th standard on page number 1 paper decoration, easy to do paper decoration, like this name is there. Okay, for this we required 24 centimeter into 15 centimeter printed paper. You can use any paper, colorful paper. It should be little bit, both sides should be color, that time it look like better. For this we required glue, pencil, scale. Before starting that, make that sure the paper is taking in proper measurement. Okay, like this we are going to do it. Here we have to take 1.5 distance from each strip. Take a measurement 1.5, like a 1.5, then 3, 4.5, 6, like this we have to take till the last that measurement. Afterwards we are going to draw lines on it. Okay, when you drawing that line, make that sure you have to keep some distance. You can keep same distance like a 1.5 or something, 1 centimeter, because this part will require to stick that strip there. Draw the straight line. Okay, like this, one by one till the end of page, like this. Draw all lines properly. Afterwards, take a scissor and cut it part like this. When you cutting that, make that sure we don't want to cut all strip. We have to maintain some distance. If you are not able to take a perfect distance, you can take measurement, draw one line, and till that line you can cut it like this, one by one. Tinted paper is having a both side is color, that's why we are taking a tinted paper. Like this you can cut it all strips. Now it is very simple to do. We have to fold the strip from opposite side. See that how I am going to stick. Take a glue or spread it properly, then stick, make a round, make a ring and stick it like this. When you're making ring or something, make that sure it should not fold anywhere. Okay, like this, one by one. From second one you have to take from another side, like this you can take it. This is a step you can follow for every last till the last strips. Okay, one by one we have to do zigzag, one from left side, one from right side. Now I'm going to show you. You can take one at a time also. After I'm going to show you how to take. Okay, I'm going to strip from up, then back, from upside, then back side, like this. Make zigzag. Afterwards we are going to put stamp. Afterwards we are going to put some flowers on it. Actually if you not able to cut that stamps or that, actually one instrument is there like a stapler. We can cut the flower shape. There are lots of shape available. like star, circle, heart shape, square shape, flowers, different type of flowers. This steps in coming you can take if you want to stick flowers on it. It is a very easy to make it. Just like a stapler, take a one paper and make whatever you want to make. Okay, I stick all strips from one side. Now another one side is left. One by one you can stick this way. When you sticking, make that sure that it should be fixed properly, and try to do same distance from each ring. Sometime if you looking some big or small, it's not looking proper. That's why make that sure the distance when you taking to stick, it should be perfect. Okay, like this it's look like when you do complete. Now we are going to decorate it. You can use this strip for decoration purpose. If any function or any birthday, someone birthday is there, that time also you can use this type of strip and decorative whatever you want to decorate it. Now I'm going to draw flower. So it's just simple flower. I'm going to draw it, then cut it by scissor. This type of flowers are coming if you have that stamp, or you can cut it and stick on it. I'm going to made it by hand. Okay, like this. Cut all petals and flowers and stick it on it. If you have a colorful paper, excepting those I am taking different color, you can take like a yellow, green, blue, light blue. This type of paper if you have, try to stick the different colors flowers on it. Like this you can make each and every part. You can also design it, but for example for the video purpose I am taking just 4 to 5. I'm going to stick on it. If you want to stick for every part, you can stick it. Like this we can stick one by one. Make that sure the flower shape should be proper. If it's not proper, it's not looking good. Okay, like this, stick it. In that book there are lots of craft is there. One by one we are going to solve that all worksheet or all pages. Okay, after it's look like this, now I'm going to just decorate it with sketch pen to make some design or some border on it. Before sticking you can do it if you want to make any decoration on it. I'm just making one small circle or dot on that flower. That time you can see it's look like better than the only white color. Okay, it's finally it's look like this. You can stick anywhere as a decoration. It's look like this. It's very simple and easy to make it. Now our is done. Thank you.